Good morning, Internet. So yeah, last week was a bit interesting. First, I had an exchange on Twitter with somebody called Hatter Steely, who was really giving it large and making threats on the internet and all sorts. So he said, I told him, look, come to Hyde Park and I'll video you on your phone and I'm sure you'll do nothing at all. You're all fart and no poo. And he said, I'm down on Monday. I'm in London. I'll come and meet you. And of course, he was threatening violence. I said, look, I'm not going to give you any violence. I will film you, and I'll talk to you, but that's it. So anyway, he said, yeah, I'll see you there. So I said 3 o'clock at Victoria Gate in Hyde Park, which is on my commute. And of course, 3:30. And I turned up at 3:30 on the Monday. And where was he? Nowhere to be found. That was quite a funny exchange on Twitter. And even all the sort of football types who normally rip into cyclists were ripping him apart for his failure to appear. So, Mr. Steely Hatter, I'm here at Victoria Gate. I've been here for just over 5 minutes, and there's no sign of you. I reckon you're all fart and no poo, just as I said before. See ya, loser. Yeah, and then I just ended up doing a bunch of work and caught some more drivers during the week, and on Thursday I got asked to come into BBC Breakfast. Yeah, I always feel very nervous going on TV. It's scary and I don't like doing it, but I accept it. I feel obliged that I have to go and show the side of third-party camera reporting and how anyone can do it, simply because I happen to have the fame or infamy at the moment, and part of the strategy is to encourage other people to do reporting so that drivers become afraid of offending, which is what stops them offending in the first place, and means we don't have to video them and report them anymore. So yeah, I went in to do that, and on the way there I got recognized by a couple of people, and on the way back as well. It's pretty weird, really, being an ordinary person and being recognized like that on the streets. Yeah, and then last of all, this is a case I went to court for recently of a van driver I caught near Westfield Shepherd's Bush. And I guess the interesting part is really just that although I saw him holding the phone, there was nothing prosecutable about that until we had 2 or 3 frames of video showing the phone screen lit up as he put the phone away. And in the end, that was enough. I turned up at court, and the defendant told the prosecutor that he had been using sat-nav because he didn't know the area well. So straight away, that's the conviction done there. I mean, sure, this was before it went to court, but I think she and the legal advisor would have told him, with that admission, you've admitted what you've done and you'll be found guilty regardless. So he changed his plea to guilty, and I didn't need to show up as witness. And yeah, that's today's video. So let's roll the video. Bye. Yeah, afternoon everybody. So I'm just out of court here. They sent me all the way across town to Bexley, and the driver admitted to the prosecutor that he was using a sat-nav straight up, and then has pleaded guilty in court once I've turned up. Of course, it's a bummer I've come for nothing, but on the other hand, everybody deserves their turn in court. And I guess what happened, I'm guessing, but the legal advisor probably told the driver that he'd be better off pleading guilty since he admitted using a sat-nav. So yeah, he'll be due 6 points and hopefully a fairly reduced fine. I hope he learns from it. Sadly, many drivers won't learn if you just talk to them and ask them to put their phones away. It's only prosecution that changes the mind of at least some drivers. So I'm done for the day. I'm out of here. Have a good day. Bye.
Thank you.
Anytime, have fun. Well, that's that then, isn't it? You're going to be that distracted. Let's go across to here. So that guy was on his phone.